Same problem that my friend from Wipro he had. So what he did, he created. So what do you think can be a solution? Hmm? So कभी सोचा है कि क्या solution हो सकता है इसका? Idea, just it's a brainstorming idea. You have an idea. See, I give you a problem. You tell me what is your idea.
Using headphones.
But then you will have to have four. Let's assume two people are sitting at the back. Two are driving. Now the driver he will give headphone. While he is driving, if the headphone wire sticks there, but then the system has to recognize four different headphones, play four different tracks to four different people. So that means there will be four systems, right? When you in a car, do you have a space to create four different dashboards? So basically, what they created was a different layers of. So the software code creates different waves of music. So every wave music is targeted towards a particular segment. So if you're sitting in the forward on the right, the waves are very conically transected to lead towards his face region. Thus otherwise it's conically transected only push towards that conical face region. Back side. So if you are sitting in those four places, there are four tracks running parallelly wave that is directed towards a different music. Very interesting, right? Regular problem. Would the patent office say that do you have to show a proof of concept for this? No. That's one big hurdle that as an inventor we have. Idea I have made such a good idea. Do they show a proof of concept? Not required. But you have to describe your idea. Again, we are coming back to the same document. Remember, we are again coming back to the same document that we are filing before. So you have to describe that idea. Now there are two concepts here: written description and enablement. That is where the next question the examiner starts. You have given a charger that is completely else, cloud backup service that is completely else. Three different elements in the same patent, in the same claim. The examiner is going to reject. Clear, everyone? So these are some of the basic mistakes that happen. So I just focus on the data of ignore this. This is all that. This is what you need to look at. So my essay drafting for you are drafting it. This is the thing that you have to look at. Your claim number one should be narrow. Be specific in what you want. Just don't say my invention is a smartphone. Smartphone में क्या? You have to be very specific. If you are not specific, it is called indefinite, ambiguous. One of the still. My digital smartphone cover is made up of one of copper, iron, Lego, 10 things you do. Not specific. How can everything be part of the smartphone cover? You have to tell now what type of metal. A non-magnetic metal comprising of this set of metals. You have to be specific. That is very important. If you are not specific, examiner is going to reject because he is going to say you are claiming the whole world. Patent cannot be given for the whole world. मैं सब कुछ मेरे इसमें डालूँ ना, that does not happen. You have to be specific because again remember 20 years there is a contract between you and the government. Government is giving you a recognition. If you gives you recognition for the whole world, what will others do? There are 2 lakh patents being filed, right? They will only grant specific patent. Be specific in what you do. And focus your energy on the independent. Major focus is on the first thing. Later on, all dependent claims are giving hearing aid examination. Let's say the examiner says, "नहीं madam, sir, I will not be able to grant your claim number 1." इसका तो सही है. So what you can say, sir, मेरा claim number 2 जो है, मैं 1 में डालूँ क्या? Can you grant it? Hearing is not only answering the question; it's a negotiation with the examiner. The examiner is sitting there to grant, just that he wants it granted in the way he wants it. If your dependent claim is not there, then what will happen? You don't have the option. So you have to have 4 or 5 dependent claims. During examination, you can talk to the examiner saying that, can I take one dependent claim and put it in the independent claim? Will you grant it that time? Or sir, I will take 3 independent claims, claim number 6, 7, 8, I will put it in the independent claim. Can you grant me for that? This is what that half an hour of hearing is. The examiner will put this reservation of why it's or not. You have to answer your questions and then you have to negotiate with him. Sir, मैं ये करूँगा, sir, मैं ये करूँगा. Okay, so hearing is this. Support in the steps. Biggest thing, remember, claim में you wrote X. पूरे draft में किधर क्यों नहीं? There's nothing written about that X. Is going to reject. Grant cannot happen. Whatever is written in the claim should be part of the spec. Everyone is speaking. Terminology, consistency. I've seen this happen a lot of time. In the claim, we write a system, whereas in the draft, everywhere it is written algorithm, computer. Then the examiner says that claim में तो system है. Where is the system in the whole draft? So if you call an apple, you should call everywhere the apple. You can't say एक में apple है, दूसरे में orange. You can't do that. Okay, so claim consistency is very good. You call something, you stick with it throughout the draft, in the description, claim, everywhere. You just stick with it. I think I covered this. Right now we will go whatever we've done. I've already covered these things. But then this part I will share. But the main topic is data show, don't tell. What I have imposed initially also. No point in telling. You have to show in the document. कौन से लाइन में क्या लिखा है? Lot of people say this to me. कि sir examination आ गया, so I asked him these are the issues. I send you data. Examiner doesn't want external data. He wants data in the document. Okay, this is like enforcing what I have come across this so many times that this is very regular. So pre-filing discipline is very good. You are disciplined by filing. Your grant will not be stopped. Your indiscipline while filing will result in lot of professors or students who want to do, you are going to MIT, you are going to university, you will lot of filing for them. So for them, what happens is they want to do publication, research publication. After research publication, suddenly the organization says, or college says, you want to get a promotion or you want to get recognition, file a paper. Now you cannot file a paper. Why? Why you cannot file a paper? Once you have published something, why cannot you file a paper? You already are discussed. Just your research. You have finished your research paper. Now you want to file a patent. You will not be able to. You will file it, but you will not be able to. Already had those 2 questions. You will face the first question, not at all. So what is the examiner going to do? The examiner is going to get your publication. He is going to give it to you and he is going to ask you what is new. So it is your own idea. You have already put it out in the market. Now in the document, how will you differentiate your document with your document? Examiner is rejecting it. Got it? Clear? So your first question of novelty will get it. Questions are always the same. It is your action that is going to impact the question. Okay, so your novelty question is not only for others, it's for your action also. You put a YouTube video of your idea and you go and file a patent. Examiner is going to give you the video. Okay, idea with the idea that you have put up. If you are able to still differentiate, then you still learn. Then he is going to do. Data he has access to the whole world. So this we have already covered, but I did. APR, how to get a grant? One of the biggest thing is you have to put efforts. How do you put effort? Examiner is going to give you document saying that your invention is similar to these three documents. You have to read that document. You have to read that document. You have to read your invention and say, in this document X is said. Whereas my document says on this line number Y. My invention is different than the got it? Clear? Clear? So you will have to put effort, read and differentiate. If you just say the examiner FPR, there are three documents that have been cited, you just say mine is different. Not you. You have to read that document, give him those line and line numbers where your idea is different from what document they cited. Give there that document line number and do your line document. Then you get done. Here again, be specific. Everywhere examiner wants you to be specific. And negotiate. You must have seen section 3. I told you algorithms are not patentable. So if you say an algorithm, is the examiner granted? No. So then I have a lot of questions that people ask me, sir, मेरा तो algorithm है. Then how should I file a patent? You can file it, but you cannot call it an algorithm. Remember, the patent office says algorithm cannot be protected. It does not say other things cannot be protected. So the way I would write it, I would say a system and method for predicting an outcome. It is mere use of words. You need to understand which words are not allowed. You cannot say a business method, because business method is not patentable. Here I can, an algorithm for predicting an outcome, I can say a system and method. And then I can describe what all is being done here. There's neural network is there, there's technology involved. I can talk about it. Because here, word algorithm